Hello everyone, let's start today with one problem. Print anagrams together. It is also the most asked question in interviews. So in this problem, the question given is there is given a vector of strings, and in vector of strings what we have to return is the similar kind of words. Means suppose in this string, vector of string argt, cat and tag, if we'll just check, both all these three words are came from ACT, and all are like one times. A is one times, C is one times, T is one times. So the frequency will be the same, and the character it is used, that will be the same. So those word will be the anagrams word, and we have to print all those words together. Okay, I'll show the approach we can do. Suppose this is the vector of string that is given as the input, and we'll sort every words. Argt will be sorted as ACT, and I did here in ascending order. You can do it in descending order also. Arct will be sorted as ACT, cat is ACT, and tag is ACT, and we will map that sorted word with that original word. Okay, similarly for God it will be DGO, for dog it will be DGO, and we will map the DGO with those original words. I'll show you how we can do it. Suppose let's take n equal to array of size. And in this array, what is this answer? This answer is we have to return the answer in vector of string. So I just take it as the answer that we have to return at the end. Okay. And as we will do mapping here, let's take it on order map. And what we will do in this map, we will map this string with vector of string. Why vector of string? Because this is multiple words. So vector means it's like kind of key array that will store multiple words or strings. Okay, so that will be string vector of string is the map, and this array will go one by one iteratively. Okay, auto, let's take it what belongs to. Why this temporary word? Suppose the word first is cat. After sorting it will be act, but we have to return that original word. Okay, so for temporary word it will be do sorting, and in word it will be the original word. Okay, so that temporary word will take and I will sort it. Okay, we just sort it, then we'll map that sorted array, means temporary word, and we'll push those original words. Suppose after sorting it will be act, we'll be pushing act in this, then after cat, then after tag, because after sorting that will be act. Okay, so we'll push back that original word into it, and what will return, this is map. Okay, in this map is this format, but we will only have to return this vector string. Okay, how we'll take that? For our let's auto string belongs to that map, we'll take in this map, this is the first, this is the second part. Okay, and where we'll take it? Answer, because we'll return it, right? answer dot push back sticker second. If you'll just directly push that full string or full map into it, then it will be pushed all this. Okay, also the runtime error or compilation error also, because the answer is vector of strings, but you are putting the map. Map means vector, that is string, and vector of string. So for that, what you will return, you will push this vector of string into vector of string. Okay, so this is the st of second. You will push it into the second, push it into answer, then we will return that. Okay, we'll just compile it. What is it telling? Okay, we forgot semicolon here. This is compiled. We'll submit it. Yeah, it's submitted. And what will be the time and space complexity for this question is the problem the way we have solved. Time complexity will be the like the how long the time it is taking to solve this problem, to solve this question. So not physically, of course not physically how much time it's taking. It's taking for every word we are iterating, and we will do sorting. For sorting we will take big of n log n time. Okay. Along with that, for each word, the number of words, suppose we have k number of words. So k star in time complexity, and space complexity will be is we are taking vector of string, then unordered map with the string and number of string. So the space complexity will be again n. Suppose the number of word is n and the maximum length of a word, suppose that is k. So the space complexity will be n star k. Okay, that's it for this question.